Most people don't file because they're afraid they might owe some money and can't afford it. And then it compounds. They don't file the next year, and they don't file the next year. So you come to see me, and now you haven't filed a tax return since 2001. But you haven't heard from the IRS, or you just heard from the IRS. And what's the solution? We come in, we go back to the IRS, we get all your documents, we put together a return, and we file it for you. And if there's any issues that come up, we're already familiar. We now are representing you. And the IRS won't contact you, they'll contact us. The punishments are civil punishments, and that's the big difference. The IRS is not going to mail you a letter if they think you committed a crime. They're going to send the sheriff out to arrest you. So getting something in the mail is a civil matter, and means that either you have an error on your tax return, or you owe the IRS money, or they need some additional information. One of the three. It's better to get us on the front end before the issues arise so that we can represent you before the IRS during an examination or an audit. Because if it's after the fact, then we have to take apart what the IRS did and show them what they did wrong. If it's on the front end, then we're involved with it from the beginning, and we can walk through the process with the IRS and make sure your rights are protected.